So it's 1 p.m. and number of participants is only 13. It's 20. So I think we can start. Good afternoon, everyone. So in case if I'm not audible, if you can't hear me or if you can't see, if I show something you can't see, then please inform me. Okay, just unmute yourself and inform me. Okay, maybe for internet problem, the voice is cracked. Is it okay now?
Listen.
Okay. Okay, fine. So in this subject, that is elective 2, it is your ground improvement technique. So anybody, you can unmute yourself and tell me what you understand about ground improvement technique. Any idea what you are going to study in this subject? Any idea, anybody? Just voluntarily, you can unmute yourself and say. Is it not clear?
Ma'am, audio is not clear.
Okay, this is for internet problem. I can't help actually. Still, I'm trying. Is it okay now? What is ground improvement technique? Any idea? Anybody? What is ground improvement technique? Any one of you can unmute yourself and say me anything. Anything, whatever comes to your mind from the name of the subject.
The bearing capacity of soil.
The bearing capacity of soil. What will happen? We are not going to study only the bearing capacity of the soil. Ground improvement technique. Already the name says. So anybody voluntarily, please unmute yourself and tell me. Yes? No one?
Soil removable and replacement.
Soil removable and replacement. So this is one of the technique for ground improvement. So I'm asking what it is. What is ground improvement technique? Just whatever you understand from the name, you can say. Yes? You can also write in the chat box if you want. If you're having problem with the audio, you can write in the chat box. No response in the chat box also. Improve quality of the soil. Yes, Pallab, very good. To improve the quality of the soil by application of various techniques to improve bearing capacity. Not only bearing capacity, Saptadeep, in every engineering properties we can say. Okay, we need to improve every engineering properties, whichever is weak of the soil. So any engineering properties improvement technique is called as ground improvement technique. So let us see the syllabus first, okay? Is it visible, syllabus? Any one of you please respond. I can see the chat box now. I'm sharing the screen.
It's visible.
Visible, okay. So these are the objectives, okay, what you're going to learn in this subject to understand the basic principles and concept and process involved in ground improvement, to develop a student skill in the basic design of unit operations and processes involved. So these are the objectives you can
It's
see.
not clear.
Did you get the syllabus?
Yes, ma'am.
Got?
Yes, we got it.
Okay. So these are the units. Introduction, here we'll study about the methods of soil improvement, its objectives and components, then engineering properties of soft, weak and compressible deposit. Then you see there are various techniques, numerous number of techniques are there to improve the ground. And here some of the techniques are given, we'll study them in details. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So here you can see a brief introduction is given. Okay, before that, wait a bit, okay. Okay, before that, for notes, you can go through the portal from ERP, students portal there. You can take the notes, PDF files are uploaded there. All the notes in details it is given. And also some links are given of YouTube and all. You can go through for better clarification. So till now we are having 34 participants. Let me take the attendance. Enrollment number 1, please respond. 2, 2,
Absent.
4,
Present, ma'am.
5,
Present, ma'am.
6,
Present, ma'am.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, 11 present, 12,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
12,
Present, ma'am.
14,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
15, 17,
Present, ma'am.
18,
Present, ma'am.
19, 20, 21, 23, 24,
24, present, ma'am.
25, 25, 26, 27, 30, 31, 32, 32 present, 34,
Present, miss.
36, 37, 38,
Present, miss.
39,
Ma'am, 38, present, miss.
38 I've given, 39, 42,
Yes, miss.
43,
Present, ma'am.
45,
Present, ma'am.
46, 48, 49, 50, 51,
Present, ma'am.
51,
51 present.
51
Present.
okay,
Yes, ma'am.
52, 54,
Present, ma'am.
55, 56, 57,
Yes, ma'am.
58, 59, 60, 61, 63, lateral 99, Nanzia 10.
Yes,
Okay, 101.
ma'am. 99.
Yeah. Yes, Nanzia, I have given you 101, 104, 106, 108,
Yes, ma'am.
109, 111,
Present, ma'am.
113, 114, 1,
Present, ma'am.
okay, 118, 120,
Present, ma'am.
okay, 124,
Yes, ma'am.
130, okay, 133, 133,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am. Present,
okay,
ma'am.
134,
Present, ma'am.
136,
Present, ma'am.
143, 143, Jewish is not here, 144, 145,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, 148, 149, 150, and 151. So I have already taken the attendance. Those who have entered late,
Ma'am,
those,
roll number 11.
yeah, those who
Ma'am, roll
have
number 11.
entered late, you can write your enrollment number in the chat box. Those who have not responded, you can write your enrollment number in the chat box. Okay. So we were discussing about ground improvement technique, what it is, the introduction. Is it visible to you guys now, the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you see here it is written ground improvement or soil improvement in its broadest sense can be defined as the alteration of any property of a soil to improve its engineering performance. So what do you understand from this? See, all kind of ground or soil, you can also say, is not suitable for construction purpose. You know this thing. Some soil are very weak. The bearing capacity, shear strength. Voice is breaking.
Not clear.
Hmm. It's okay now? Okay. Acha. So, soil, all kind of soil are not suitable for construction purpose, right? These people are waiting. So some soil are very weak and it cannot support the structures in the. So that kind of soil they need improvement. So by applying some certain techniques, the engineering properties, you can say, these engineering properties of the soil are improved. and those application of those techniques to improve the ground so that it supports the structure on it is called as ground improvement techniques. So it is the modification of the engineering properties of the soil so that it is suitable to take the load of the structure. Any structure, it may be like a building, then bridges, also for construction of roads. So these types of some techniques are available. Then it is written, you see, the ground can be improved by adapting certain ground improvement techniques. That is what? Then the improved or modified soil exhibits satisfactory performance. So after application of those techniques to modify the engineering properties, the soil should give the satisfactory performance. So that is our introduction about ground improvement. I hope it is clear. Anybody? Any doubt till this much? Is it clear to you? Any one or two, you can just unmute and say.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear.
Okay. Then these are the various techniques. Surface compaction, drainage method, vibration method, pre-compression and consolidation, grouting, chemical stabilization, soil reinforcement, geotextile and geomembranes, and various other methods. Not only these methods, there are numerous number of methods. Various methods are there to improve the ground. So it is not possible to discuss all of them. So few methods I have included under other methods. Okay. And from this, some of the methods we'll study in details in our later chapters. So about surface compaction, anybody can say what is compaction? What is surface compaction? Anyone? Novojyoti Boro, removal of air. How you remove the air? Any process? By the method of dynamic loads. Okay. Dynamic loads, then other method, any other component we can apply like rollers we can use, then rammers we can use. Okay. Then next is drainage method. Now what about drainage method? Anybody, any idea about drainage method? To increase density. Removal of excess water to collect surface water. Anything else? To make way for water to go out. Okay. Okay, fine. So avoid stagnation of water. Okay. So actually you can say it is the removal of excess water by applying certain methods. That drainage setup is done so that the excess water is removed and the soil becomes suitable for construction. Like groundwater is removed. These things. Okay. Next is vibration method. Any idea about vibration method? No, ma'am. Anybody else? Yes, anybody else about vibration method? Compacting and rearranging the soil. Yes, it is compacting or the process of densifying the soil. Okay, to make the soil denser, generally it is applied for loose sand. Okay, by the application of vibration. Vibration machines are set up, and this vibration is applied so that the loose sand gets densified. Next is about pre-compression and consolidation. So what is consolidation? What is consolidation? Expulsion of water. The process of removing water. So can you differentiate between compaction and consolidation? Is there any difference between compaction and consolidation? Okay, fine. So pre-compression and consolidation. So this method is used to consolidate the soil before construction. Okay, these techniques, various techniques are adopted, and the soil is consolidated before the construction of any structure or any structures or bridges, roads, whatever. Then grouting and injection. So this term grouting is new to you. Anybody having any idea about grouting? Any idea about grouting? Vicky Donald, no ma'am. Okay, fine. So grouting and injection. Okay, this technique is used to modify the soil, some weak soil. So it is the process where some chemical are injected into the soil. Some chemicals are injected into the soil, and these chemicals, they go inside the pore space in the soil, and they fill up the voids and provide strength to the soil. So we'll study that in details with the help of syringe is there, and with the help of that the solutions are injected into the soil. Okay, then next, chemical stabilization. So anything about chemical stabilization? Anyone? Chemical stabilization, any idea? Okay, it improves the shear strength, but how? What is the process? Using chemicals in soil to improve soil, exactly. Good. So some chemicals like sodium silicate, then cement, even cement, flyers, these things can also be used. So these chemicals are mixed in the soil to improve the stabilization or the strength of the soil. Okay. Then soil reinforcement. Any idea about soil reinforcement? Okay, you leave soil reinforcement. Anybody can tell me about what is reinforcement? What is reinforcement? Adding steel. Okay. So reinforcement is something with the help of which we provide strength, adding strength to any material. Yes, good. So with the help of this reinforcement, we provide strength. So for soil, some reinforcement materials made of steel or whatever is inserted, or jute membranes are also used nowadays. These things are inserted inside the soil to give support and provide strength to the soil. Then geotextile and geomembranes. Geotextiles are actually porous fabrics. Okay, it is made of petroleum products, and these are generally used for soil reinforcement purpose. So it is also a process or technique for soil improvement. Then comes various other methods are there, like thermal method. Under other method, it comes thermal method. It is the application of heat, where heat is applied and the soil properties are improved. Then soil nailing, soil anchoring, various methods are there. So those are I have included in other methods. Some of them will study one by one. Okay. So today's class, is it clear to all? You can also unmute and respond, or you can also write in the chat box, no problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear, ma'am.
Okay, fine, thank you. So the meeting is going to end. Okay.
Okay, nice.
So for today, we keep up to this much. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, bye,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am.
Stay safe. Take
Have a
care.
good day.
Ma'am.